Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Adika Sutra Lubis with MPM 23411-097 from Management 23 Extensions. Today I will presentation text about liquidity risk management. Okay, the first slide, definition of liquidity risk. Liquidity risk is the risk that an entity will not be able to meet its financial obligations as they come due without incurring significant losses. The risk can arise from the inability to sell assets quickly, market liquidity, or from cash flow mismatch, funding liquidity. Okay, next, types of liquidity risk. First, market liquidity risk. When an institution cannot sell asset quickly without significantly reducing the price. Second, funding liquidity risk. When a company lacks cash or access to funding to meet short-term obligations. Causes of liquidity risk. First, large-scale fund withdrawals, e.g. bank runs. Second, over-reliance on short-term funding. Third, inability to access capital markets. 4. Poor cash flow management. The last 5. Asset liability mismatches. Okay, next, objective of liquidity risk management. First, ensure availability of funds to meet obligation. 2. Maintain stakeholder trust and reputation. 4. Third, prevent insolvency. 5. Supports sustainable business growth. Liquidity risk management strategies. First, cash flow forecasting. Projecting cash flows to identify short and medium-term liquidity needs. Second, liquidity buffers. Holding cash, reserves, or highly liquid assets such as government bonds. Third, diversification of funding source. Avoid dependence on a single funding source. Liquidity risk indicators. Liquidity coverage ratio, or LCR, measures the adequacy of high-quality liquid assets to cover 30-day net cash outflows. Second, net stable funding ratio, or NSFR, assess the stability of funding over the long term. Third, current ratio and quick ratio measures short-term ability to meet current liabilities. Okay, the last slide, conclusion. Effective liquidity risk management is essential for maintaining a company financial stability and operational continuity by ensuring sufficient liquid assets are available to meet short-term obligations. A business can avoid the rise of defaults, preserve stakeholder trust, and remain resilient in the face of financial shocks. Strong liquidity not only protects the company during crisis but also provides the flexibility to seize strategic opportunities, and support long-term growth. Okay, regarding video from me about liquidity risk management. Thank you.